Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some rustic touch vintage home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Rustic touch vintage home decorating blends the warmth of rustic design with the timeless charm of vintage pieces. It creates a cozy, welcoming home filled with natural textures, aged finishes, and meaningful antique-inspired details. Here are some rustic touch vintage home decorating tips. Use distressed or whitewashed furniture to create an aged, well-loved appearance. Layer vintage-inspired coins, knitted drawers, and linen cushions for extra comfort. Decorate with oven baskets to store blankets, magazines, or plants while adding texture. Install open wooden shelves to display vintage dishes, pottery, and glass jars. Choose handmade ceramic vases and earthy pottery for a timeless rustic feel. Add antique mirrors with weathered wooden or metal frames to reflect light and create character. Decorate walls with vintage artwork, botanical prints, or old landscape paintings. Include natural elements such as wooden bowls, pine cones, dried flowers, and branches. Use plaid, floral, gingham, or striped fabrics in muted colors to reinforce the vintage charm. Display old books, vintage cameras, clocks, or lanterns on shelves and side tables. Choose simple iron or brushed hardware for cabinets and drawers. Add a rustic bench near the entryway with cozy cushions and oven storage baskets underneath. Use warm ambient lighting with table lamps, candles, or Edison-style bulbs to create a welcoming atmosphere. Leave a little empty space between decorative items so each vintage piece stands out and the room feels calm rather than crowded. Style a wooden tray with candles, vintage books, and a small ceramic vase for an elegant coffee table display. Hang antique-style wall clocks to create a timeless focal point. Decorate with old wooden crates as shelves or storage boxes. Incorporate leather details through stools, chairs, or storage boxes to add warmth. Mix matte finishes with weathered wood instead of glossy surfaces for a more authentic rustic look. Use vintage-inspired floral arrangements in galvanized buckets or ceramic pitchers. Decorate fireplace mantles with antique mirrors, candlesticks, and stacked books. Add wooden ladders to display blankets, quilts, or seasonal decorations. Choose handmade pottery instead of mass-produced decorative accessories. Decorate seasonally with natural items such as pumpkins, pine cones, dried wheat, or evergreen branches, while keeping your vintage pitches as the foundation of the decor. Stack antique wooden cutting boards against your kitchen backsplash for a simple rustic display. Hang copper pots and vintage kitchen utensils on wall hooks to add warmth and character. Use lace or linen curtains to soften windows while allowing natural light to fill the room. Decorate with handmade wooden bowls filled with seasonal fruits or pine cones. Place vintage trunks or old suitcases at the foot of the bed for stylish storage. Choose furniture with carved wood details to enhance the vintage charm. Decorate corners with tall olive trees, eucalyptus branches, or leafy indoor plants in terracotta pots. Select vintage-inspired light fixtures with bronze or black metal finishes for a warm, inviting glow. Keep decorations simple and meaningful. Avoid overcrowding shelves so each window space stands out. Let natural imperfections shine. Scratches wood, faded finishes, and aged metal add authentic rustic beauty and make your home feel lived in and welcoming. Create a cozy coffee station with a reclaimed wood shelf, vintage mugs, and glass storage jars. Decorate console tables with stacked vintage books, a ceramic vase, and an antique lamp. Replace plastic containers with ceramic rocks, wooden boxes, or glass canisters. Add vintage-inspired quilts to the foot of the bed for extra color and texture. Mix floral and striped fabrics in soft, muted colors for a layered vintage look. Use handcrafted pottery as everyday decor instead of storing it away. Incorporate reclaimed wood floating shelves to showcase treasured vintage finds. Choose natural fiber rugs such as jute or seashell to complement wooden furniture. Decorate with botanical prints or pressed flower artwork in distressed wooden frames. Add antique brass or iron candle holders to dining tables and mantels for a warm glow. Use weathered wooden stools as plant stands or charming side tables. Include handcrafted items such as knitted blankets, crocheted cushions, or woven wall hangings to make the home feel more personal. Focus on comfort over perfection. Slightly mismatched vintage pieces, soft textures, and natural materials create a home that feels authentic, relaxed, and full of character. Style your fireplace mantle with antique candlesticks, vintage clocks, and framed botanical artwork. Create a dining table centerpiece using a wooden tray, mason jars, oil flowers, and pillar candles. Layer different shades of cream, beige, and warm brown to create a soft, timeless color palette. Add handmade crochet or lace tablecloths to bring delicate vintage charm to your dining table. Decorate empty corners with large wicker baskets filled with rolled blankets or dried branches. Choose furniture with carved edges and turned wood legs to enhance the vintage character. Thanks for watching the video.